My lips part for your name. My lips part for your name. Sandbars narrow and reach out, while longing etches itself in plover's tracks. Shadows of bank swallows, tongue to tongue, we glide to the rack line. Though our moments flow away from us, though these hours draw away, are you content? Are you content, my love? Night unto night, you will need a skiff. Look for lapstrake in my bones. You will need an oar. Reach between my ribs. My spine is sun-bleached and sear. My shoulder is keel. Follow my current. Follow my current as these hours draw away from us, as our moments flow away. My love, which takes down our slipping forms? Who records you? Who records you? Day unto day, as these hours draw away from us, as our moments flow away. My love, why am I not content? When will I be content? Gloamings of pine martens, we glide motionless through flark. Among this drowned forest, these ghost spruce moored hip high. My love, though my lips part for your name, though my lips part for your name, these hours draw away from us, our moments flow away.